Kenya, Great Rift Valley, a region in the heart of East Africa, blessed with beauty and lush nature. The once vast Mau Forest is a significant but endangered watershed for the wider region, feeding Kenya's most important rivers. But deforestation for firewood collection endangers the ecological balance and the global climate. Non-sustainable forest management and traditional, inefficient cooking methods with high firewood consumption have diminished the forest and contribute to global warming. The Osirian flower farm nearby the Mau Forest grows fair trade certified roses and exports them to Europe. In order to offset their emissions, flower purchaser COOP Switzerland has teamed up with South Pole Carbon and WWF. By distributing modern, efficient cooking stoves to the local Maasai community, about 50% of their firewood demand is now being reduced. This lowers the pressure on the Mau forests and on global climate.
Osirian were approached by COOP, to whom we supply a vast number of flowers on a daily basis that are grown naturally and sustainably and responsibly. We have gone into a project with them using South Pole Carbon. We are helping the local community in setting up an alternative method of cooking, and this is obviously going to have a great influence on the preservation of our environment.
COOP is serious about sustainability. As a responsible retail company, it is natural for us to engage in projects to improve the living conditions for the people working along our supply chains.
A problem turned opportunity. COOP offsets their emissions by investing in community-based efficient cooking stoves, combining carbon mitigation with sustainable development.
In a great joint exercise, together with our partners at COOP Switzerland and WWF, our Insetting concept proved to be successful. From the time where COOP decided to invest in this carbon emission reduction project in their own flower supply chain, up to the time where we started distributing our cook stoves, it took us only 6 months.
Biodiversity conservation and reducing the human impact on the planet are two of WWF's core objectives. We cannot achieve these without the local support and involvement of people on the ground. This project combines both livelihoods as well as conservation and climate change mitigation, which is a winning approach for both people and the environment.
With our expertise in identifying and developing carbon emission reduction projects, we can now look in all the supply chains and find various opportunities for new projects.
In addition to its climate benefits, the project also brings about improvements for the local Maasai population. Indoor smoke reduction, healthcare improvement, supportive education and school attendance associated with the project contribute to sustainable development and highlight COOP's engagement.